Hello, good morning students. So today we will read about the types of network based on topology. So today we are going to read about the topology. Topology of a network means how the devices that are connected to the network are arranged. You already know that if we want to make an hosting uh, in network, so we need a physical connection between all of the networks like LAN, main and WAN. So for the connect to these networks, we need topology. Those are bus, linear, ring and star. Okay, these are the common topology. Bus topology and linear topology are the same. It consists of a central cable to which all the nodes are attached. In the picture shown below, PCs and the printer are attached to the main cable. Bus topology is the cheapest, so install but is unreliable because if the main cable fails, the entire network shuts down. Okay, so the bus topology is the cheapest topology but is unreliable because if the main cable will fail, this is the main cable of the entire topology. This is the main cable of the entire topology. If the main cable will fail, then the all connected computers and the printers will fail. Okay, got it? If the main cable is failed, then all the computers and the printers that are connected to this topology will be failed. Okay, so this is the bus topology. In bus topology, we are arrange the computers like serial wise and connect to this central cable. This is called bus topology. Next one is ring topology. In ring topology, the data travel in one direction around the circle from computer to computer. Okay, in ring topology, data travel in one direction. Travel in one direction. The circle from computer to computer. Each computer looks at data to decide whether it is intended for it or not. If not, the data is passed to the next computer. It is unreliable, and if the main cable fails, all the workstations are affected, and even if one workstation fails, the rest of the workstation are affected. Okay, so what is the difference between the ring topology and the linear topology or bus topology? In linear topology, we use the single cable and the all computers are connected with single cable. But in ring topology, the all computers are connected to the single cable also. But the cable is look like as a ring. The cable is look like as a ring, and the computer are connected in a shape of ring. So the computer will check because when you pass the data from one computer, then suppose that this is the computer and you want to send the data to this computer, then the data first will go here, then this computer will check that data is for this computer or not, then the data will go here, then this will also check, and then the data will go here. This will check if the data is found in correct path, then the data meets the requirement. Okay. So if not, the data is passed to the next computer. This is the line. Okay. The data passed to the next computer. It is unreliable if the main cable fails, all the workstations are affected. So like as a bus topology, if the main cable will fail, all the workstations are affected. If this cable is failed from there, then the data unable to send this side and this side also, because they are not able to make a connected network. Next, next one is the star topology. This is the most important topology for you. Each device is connected individually to a switch or hub. It is expensive to install, but it is most reliable. If the main cable fails, only one workstation is affected. If the main cable is failed, only one workstation is affected. So if a workstation is not working, then it will not affect the working of the other, since each workstation is directly connected to the server. So we are read about this star topology. Star topology, in a shape of star topology, the all computers are connected in a shape of star topology. Like this is the CPU, and these are the computers, and this is the another device like printer. So If a workstation is not working, then it will not affect the working of other, since each workstation is directly connected to the server. Let's see, each workstation is directly connected to the server. If this computer will fail, this computer will fail, it does not affect the rest of computers. And if this device is failed, this is also does not affect the rest of computers. So it is called star topology. Okay, a server computer requires a special network operating system, and other computers connected to server required to have network setting. So the star topology is the important topology, and nowadays the star topology is used in various organizations to establish a network. So let's disadvantage of networking. Tighter security needed from viruses, spam, etc. as they can easily creep into a network. High setup and maintenance cost is required in a network. So what is the disadvantage? If the virus will come in the network, then this is affect all of the computers that are connected to the networking. So this is the most important. Tighter security, spam, SMS, okay, so they can easily creep into a network. High setup and maintenance cost is required in a network. So I hope you have understood about the topologies, and if you have any question, you can send me or you can ask me related to the topology. In next class we will start next chapter. Thank you very much.